And at the time of your arrest on the 16th of June 2020, how many effective cell numbers were you using, Mr. Ntanzi, except these two?
Ngesikhathi sokuboshwa kwakho ngazi 16 kaJune 2020 mangaki amanamba owasebenzisa ngaphandle kwala amabili le egcina ngo-33 nale u-6890 mangaki amanamba owasebenzisa
ukhona kodwa khona umuntu nama ngokukhumbula ngapha ehlelene no-76 angikhumbula ngapha kuyaleyo.
There's also another Vodacom, my lord, although I can't remember the last number, last digits, but it was an 076 number.
Okay. And then Colonel Host testified that he then downloaded the data from the 7056 number, the 072-505-7056, and he transferred it into a Microsoft Excel because the program that he uses, which is called the the ABN notebook, cannot recognize and cannot work with a PDF format. So he had to transfer it to Microsoft Excel.
Ubufakazi bakhe-ke uKenneth Foles wasithi-ke lena inamba egcina ngo-7056 imininingwane-ke ekhona noma ilaphayana-ke wayindlulisela-ke kunohlobo-ke noma-ke kunohlelo-ke la kuwona-ke amakhompyutha ababiza ngokuthi-ke yi-Microsoft wayidlulisela lapho-ke.
Now, we've just now touched on the two numbers, Mr. Ntanzi, that is the 6890 number that you said it was your number, but contrary to Colonel Host's testimony, that number is a Vodacom number, not an MTN number, correct?
Yes, ukukhuluma-ke ngalama number lana-ke kodwa wena uyasho-ke ukuthi le number lena uyaphikisana-ke naloko okhulunywa uKenneth Foles ukuthi akusiyona inamba ka-Vodacom, the 7056
06090 901.
So it's a Vodacom, not an
MTN. Yes.
Or when uphikisana no-host ukuthi njengoba yena athi u-MTN wena uthi u-Vodacom.
Yeah, Vodacom.
That's correct, it's a Vodacom number.
And the second number that you've just given as your MTN number is the 065 657 7733.
065 56 777
Yes, is that the one?
MTN.
MTN. Yeah.
That's the actual MTN.
Now this 072-505-7056, do you recognize that number?
The number 072-505-7056. Yeah, yes.
Number of series.
Series.
It's series
it's Mtiritis number. Mtiritis Lombonde Pop Marikana.
And who is Mutsidisi?
Ubanyen. It's a lady that I had a relationship with.
And have you ever used the 7056 number on your handset, the Samsung J5 handset?
Manjeke the number then. Wake wayisebenzisa la J5. No.
And you are certain that this number belonged to Mutsidisi, the 7056?
Unesiqiniseko salokho ukuthi kwakuyinamba kaMtsidisi? Yes, I know it. This is her number.
And did that number ever belong to you at any point, you as Mr. Ntanzi?
Kunesikhathi la the number kwaba yinamba yakho wena Ntanzi? No.
And you've testified about the nature of your relationship with Mutsidisi. Do you know what network this 7056 number was?
Ngabe uyazi ukuthi lo 7056 ukuthi yona-ke yiphi network MTN, Vodacom, Cell C, ngabe uyazi?
Ngiyazi number yakho ku-Vodacom, ngiyazi ukuthi indlela ebhalwa, ngiyazi number yakho ku-Vodacom.
I knew her number to be a Vodacom. I don't know this which is rated here /Cell C. I knew it to be a Vodacom.
Now, Colonel Host testified that, except to say that the 6890 number did not have contacts, 2 activities were recorded or extracted from that the number received a please call me or a text, a please call me from the number 072 619 and 1698 1698.
Nanjengoba eshilo-ke kubufakazi bakho uKenneth Steyn ukuthi sorry uhost ukuthi-ke kwakunama-contacts ayekhona-ke kule number le number 6890 kodwa uthi kukhona-ke awakuthola-ke laphayana okwakwenzeka nokuthi-ke yathola-ke umlayezo noma-ke please call me owabuya kwinumber 072 619 1698.
And further, there was a text message or a bank notification from Standard Bank on the 24th of December 2019 in respect of certain purchases that were made from the Standard Bank account ending with 7815.
Nokuthi-ke kunomlayezo owangena-ke owabuya e-Standard Bank kwakuwukwazisa-ke ukuthi-ke kukhona okwenzeka noma-ke kwakuthengiwe-ke lapho kuyona-ke i-account yase-Standard Bank number 7815 nge-24 zika-December 2019.
Now, if we go to Annexure 4, Mr. Jonas, Annexure 4 will be the actual contact list downloaded by and extracted by Kernel Host, which starts at page 6, 7. Let's go to page 8 at index 208. You will see under the name, the index number is 208,
Yes.
and then under the name it says Standard Bank, and there's a number there. I'm not going to read it all, but it ends with 7815. Do you see that?
Yes. One of the number there, it's the number 7815 lapha lokho i-Standard Bank u-208.
Yeah, I can get it.
Yes, this is my bank account.
It is your bank account from which bank, Mr. Ntanzi?
EP Bank,
Standard Bank.
Standard Bank.
Now, correct. As Mr. Host then says that the 072 505 7056 number then receives a notification from Standard Bank that is now Mercedes' number, according to your testimony, regarding the purchases that were made on the 24th of December 2019.
Nanjengoba ngishilo-ke ukuthi-ke ngokobufakazi bakhe uKenneth Host ukuthi-ke le number ethi number 7056 oshoyo ukuthi inumber kaMthilisi yathola-ke umlayezo ubuya khona-ke e-Standard Bank isho-ke ukuthi-ke ukhona-ke okwenziwa noma-ke kwathengwa lapho ngaleya date echaziwe.
At Standard Bank, when you opened your account, Mr. Ntanzi, and maybe further when you updated it, which number did you use as the contact number?
E-Standard Bank uma wavula khona-ke i-account yiphi-ke inumber owanikeza ngayo?
Was I can't the number Standard Bank is 060.
My lord, the number that was provided at Standard Bank is the 060 number,
I the number is all code 072.
not the number that is mentioned here in court, the 072 number.
I baliswanga le number.
That number was not registered, my lord.
Ngoba ngisho malandi mangathonga nge-payslip yami uzoyithola le number ka 060.
Even if I were to bring my payslip here, you will find the 060 number.
And just for clarification, because I'm using the last digits, I'm not using the first 3 digits. So if you refer to a number, refer to it with the last 4 digit numbers.
Ubabuza Msipile uthi yena uma biza inumber usebenzisa lama number u4 ogcina. Wena ubiza la uqala amathathu ne. Yena uyacela ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngenumber biza la. Uma ukuthi usebenzisa le 072 biza la 7056 6890.
Yeah, was come on 16890 or something.
Yes, we are referring to 6890, my lord.
Okay. Now you registered at Standard Bank when you open the account with the 6890, not the 7056 number.
Okusho ukuthi wena uma uvula i-account e-Standard Bank wasebenzisa le inumber 6890 awuzange usebenzise le 7056.
yebo ngisebenzisele like 16890.
Yes, my lord, I used the top one, 16890.
But now, and it's on record, I'm going, sorry.
Nkosi inkantolo mina ngiyamangala uma kuthiwa le number registered bank ngoba le number le lo muntu udibane naye mina nginekhadi ngine-account i-register namanye le number register kanjani ebhenki.
I am surprised, my lord. It comes as a surprise that now this number comes to the fore because when I met this person, I already had a card. I had already opened the account.
Ngoba mina lo muntu lo ngidibana naye kuma-sport lana emayini ama-sport emayini banginika inamba sagcinana khona lapho uhlala le ngihlala le kuthi kuyobhaliswa ney'namba emabhenki cha hhayi.
Because we met at the sporting activity in at the mines, my lord, with this person. We exchanged numbers. She stays on the on the other side. I stayed on the other side, and then that was the last. That now her number appears here. No.
So akulona iqiniso Nkosi inkantolo.
So it's not true, my lord.
And indeed, Mr. Ntanzi, because I took that up with Mr. Host during his testimony, because if you look at the transcript of the 17th of April 2024, when he testified here at pages 7 to 8, firstly, he testified like that. He says, he testified that firstly, the number that received a bank notification from Standard Bank was the 756. But then in the same breath, during his testimony, he then says, actually the number that received a bank notification regarding that purchase of the 24th of December 2019 is the 6890, and it was left unclarified from Mr. Host's testimony, and that will be found, like I'm saying, at the transcript of the 17th of April 2024 at page 7 to 8.
Uma singaya-ke ubufakazi bange-17 zika-April ku-2024 ilapho kuzotholakala khona-ke page 7 kuyofika page 8 ngoba yila engambuza khona ekuqaleni umethula ubufakazi washo-ke wathi inamba eyathola umlayezo oyisiqinisekiso sokuthi ngempela ukuthi i-account leya isetshenzisiwe wathi kwaba inamba igcina ngo-7056. Mangiphinde ngimbuza-ke futhi waphinda wakushintsha-ke lokho wathi cha umlayezo wangena kule namba egcina ngo-6890 kwabe lokho kuyekeka ngaleyo ndlela-ke ungachaziwe.
Sorry, but Dr. Ron, the date is the 17th of April, but the pages are page 7 to 8. And now, with respect to page 6, which he termed Annexure 3, Colonel Host, he says this page 3 is the contact list that was extracted from the number ending with 7056. So it's page 6, page 7, page 8, up to page 9.
Okay, yes.
So these are the contact numbers that were extracted, but he says these numbers were extracted from the 072 505 7056 number.
Uma ubuka lana-ke kule page ku-6, ku-7, ku-8, 9 futhi lamanamba lana-ke amanamba atholakala-ke noma-ke akhishwa-ke kodwa-ke etholakala kule namba le 072 egcina ngo-7056 okusho ukuthi-ke aye kuleyo sim card leyo.
Akulona iqiniso Nkosi.
That's not true, my lord.
Le number inomnikazi noma namanje ungathatha ifoni uzochange inamba yakhe.
This number has a owner, my lord. Even if you were to pick up a phone now and call the number, she will tell you that that's her phone or that's her number.
Ngiphinde mina ngimangala makuthi bathi ifoni yami ingavuleka ngento ayinephethe.
And it also comes as a surprise to me because they allege that my phone had a pattern. They couldn't open it. So
Uthi ukhiphe isim card amanamba ayengekho kwisim card ngithi mangithi ngizwa kahle.
Yes.
if I hear you correctly, he then says he extracted the SIM card and there were no contacts there.
Manje ifoni yami ivulelwe ubani uzathola amanamba. Ngithi ifoni yami ayivulelwe.
Now, who opened my phone for him to be able to get the numbers if he says that he couldn't open my phone.
Manje lapho senginokudideka manje kwayona inamba labakhuluma ngawo 72 inomnikazi nje uyimena ehlala eMarikana mina nginamba yami 060 legcina ngo-16890 manje lapho
That's where I'm getting confused because the 072's number that ends with the 7056 has got its owner who stays in Marikana. I've got my number, the 060 number ending with 6890. That's where I'm getting confused.
mina nje ngokwami ngabeka straight phambi kwekho lento ekhuluma lapho senkantolo uzongihambela nje amanga amakhulu.
I can just say this clearly, my lord, that what he said here in court, he just came to tell lies about me.
Yeah, let me just clarify it, Mr. Ntanzi, so that we are on the same page. Colonel Ho says that he receives the handset, the Samsung J5. In the Samsung J5, there are 3 units. I'll refer them as units. There's a MTN SIM card with 060-901-6890 number. And the second SIM card is a Vodacom SIM card with the numbers 072-505-7056. And there's also a memory card. When he downloads, firstly, the MTN SIM card, the 6890, he discovers that there are no contact lists except the 2 transactions that we alluded to. The please call me and the bank notification.
Angikusho kanjena Mnumzane Ntanzi sizokwazi ukuthi ke sizwaneke kulokho. uKenneth Khosi ubufakazi bakhe uthi wathola lo makhalekhukhwini lona okuyena ke Samsung J5. Akwenzayo ke noma ke akutholayo ke lapha wathola ukuthi the Samsung J5 lena ke inama SIM card amabili, ile egcina ngo6890 nale egcina ngo7056, ibese iba nememory card. Okutholakalayo ke kulo egcina ngo6890 ila athola khona ukuthi ke kuphela kuthola please call me kanye ke nalo yamlayezo ochazayo ke ukuthi kwathengwa nge-24 zika December 2019.
Correct. And then he extracts from the SIM card Vodacom with the number 072-505-7056. And this is the product, the extraction, pages 6 to 9, the contact list.
Wase ke manje ke endlulela ke kulena ke iSIM card 072-505-7056 yiloku ke akuthola ke la kule iSIM card. Nako akuthola khona lama page siqala page 6, 7, 8 no 9. Yiko lokhu uma ngabe ekhipha ke imininingwane kule SIM card wathola lokho.
But directly answering to your question, he says they did not download or extract from the J5 itself because it was security locked using a pattern.
Kodwa ke uphendula ke kulombuzo qedwe ukuba nawo ke manje udlulisa manje wena. Ubufakazi bakhe abethula uthi lokho abakwenzanga kuyona iJ5 iSamsung uqobo ngoba yona ke yayine pattern.
So the phone was never opened.
Okushukuthi ke
Using colloquial language.
Awukazeke uvule wena umakhalekhukhwini.
And thirdly, he extracted from the memory card and from the memory card images, photographs, JPEG images, and the like, totaling over 4,700 images were extracted.
Bese kuthi ke kuyona ke imemory card lapho ke wathola khona ke izithombe kodwa ke uma ngabe ehlanganisa ke nokunye nje nokunye uma esebenza ngememory card kodwa ke izithombe ayithola kwaba 4,700.
We will come to the photographs.
Yes, I understand.
We will come to the photographs. We are still dealing with the 072-505-7056 and the 6890 numbers.
Siyeza ke zona izithombe manje ke sisela ku 6890 no 7056. Yes.
Now, I want you, because you're saying the 7056 number belonged to your then girlfriend, Mutsidisi. I want you to look and peruse quickly from the first index to the last index, which is 259 on page 9. If you recognize any of the numbers there, or if they are foreign to you, meaning the numbers did not belong to your SIM card.
Lana-ke acelayo ukuthi ukwenze manje ubaba kaMsipile ukuthi-ke ubheke-ke ngama-page 6, 7, 8, 9. Ubuke-ke lana kulama number uze uyofika lana-ke ku-9 ukuthi-ke khona yini owaziyo noma-ke amanamba ongawazi. I see them, most of them are known to me.
So would you say this contact list was downloaded from your SIM card?
Ungathi-ke lama contacts lana akhishwa kwi-SIM card yakho.
Yeah.
Yes.
And according to your own personal use of a SIM card and the J5 Samsung, on which SIM card were these numbers saved according to you? This contact list, on which SIM card?
Ungathi-ke lamagama lana nale number lezi zazisavwe kuyiphi i-SIM card?
Kule 168.
The 6890.
Okay, thank you. And let's go to the actual contact list itself. I'm going to ask you about a few names there. Let's go to index 11. The name given there is Shuzi, and then the ending numbers are 4770.
Index 11, which page?
Page 6, Mr. Jonas, index 11. The very first page of the contact list.
Also, there are two indexes. I'm looking at the other indexes.
Oh. Yeah, they've put them side to side, yeah.
Then Ushuzi 11.
Do you know that person named Shuzi there with the number ending 4770?
Lona obhale la Ushuzi nale number egcina ngo-4770. You must.
Number one.
It's my uncle's number.
Okay. And what is his surname?
Ubani isibongo sakhe? Dansi.
And at index 28, there's a Zungu with the number 5812.
KunoZungu la ku-28 number igcina ngo-5812.
If you can still recall, because that's a long time, Mr. Ntanzi.
Uma kuwukuthi usakhumbula ngoba sekuyisikhathi eside. This is Swabene's number. I can recognize it by the 5812 at the end. Swabene's number.
Okay. And then there's a number at index 140, Mr. Jonas. To make sense, then it will be on the right hand side. Sfiso Zungu, ending 7895.
Lana again 140. Now the number of Sifiso Zungu is the number 7895. This is the number that I cannot recall because there was a Zulu gentleman from Newcastle that was working at the mine.
Okay. Let me see another one. Okay, that's fine. Index 75, there's a number Lungisani. There's a name Lungisane and the number ending 1239.
Lungisane 1239.
Do you know who that Lungisane person is?
Uyamazi uLungisane ukuthi ubani?
Yebo, Nkosi enkantolo nami.
Yes, I do know him a lot.
Who is Lungisane?
Ubani uLungisane?
Ngokwandwana.
He's from Ndwandwe.
I'm packing it because I'm gonna come to this number at length. I just wanted to identify it.
Ngizobuyela kuyona-ke le number lena-ke ngoba ngifuna ukuthi-ke ngikhulume ngayo kabanzi-ke. Ngifuna nje ukuthi-ke usho ukuthi ubani.
And index 109, the last page. There's the name Muzi, and the number ends with 0137.
Lana ku-109 kunomuzi bese inumber yona igcina ngo-0137.
Do you know who the Muzi referred to there is?
Ingabe uyamazi umuzi lo obhalwe la ukuthi ubani?
Yebo, ngiyabona igama. Kodwa mina ifoni kaSibala ngangayisevanga ngomuzi. Angiseve ngegama lakhe lokusizwa lasemakhaya. Not ukuthi umuzi so.
Yes, I see the name Muzi, but his number was not saved. I didn't save this number as Muzi. I saved it in. There's a name that we call it. It's called known by back home. I had saved it with that under that name, but not like this.
And what is that name?
Ubani lelo gama lelo lasemakhaya lomsisi?
Ngibiza ngoPukane.
We call him Pukane.
Pukani.
Yeah. Mayibhala ngomuzi so I.
Now, if it's written like this, Muzi, it's no.
Manga ngimbize ngegama bizo ngomama wakhe ngoba ngitsizwa. Kodwa ngimbize ngegama lakhe lokusizwa.
I would not have called him by the name by which his mother refers to him or calls him, because I have to call him by his name.
Okay, I'm just thinking at the back of my mind. There's entry, is it 40?
Sorry.
Index 40 on page 7. Index 40,
Yes.
and the name is Lango. Do you know that person?
Lana ku-40 kunegama leli gabe uLambo. Uyamazi?
Uzalwa kwabona.
It's my uncle's child.
Okay. All right. Where are we? Now, Colonel Host testified as follows that the two numbers, the 060 901 6890 and the 072505 the numbers that are one is indeed is yours, the other one is Mercedes's, are also linked to other accused persons before court here. What do you say about that?
Ubufakazi bakhe abethulileke uKenneth Foles uthike lama number lana egcina u-060 egcina ngo-6890 no-072 egcina ngo-7056. Lawo manamba lawo-ke ayaxhunyaniswa-ke nabanye abasolwa phambi kwenkantolo. Uthini ngalokho?
Bonke noma.
All of them all.
He says in his conclusion at the end of his testimony, he says all the accused persons testify, communicated amongst themselves. He just put that sweeping statement. So I'm understanding him to be saying all of them.
Kubufakazi bakhe-ke egcineni kumephetha ngobufakazi bakhe wathi-ke bonke abasolwayo-ke babexhumana.
Ayi mina ngiyala koyamisipho yami inombolo.
I refuse when it comes to my number.
Now let's come back to index 75, Lungisane with the 071 595 1239 number. Now, Colonel Host testified as follows regarding that. He says under that index there's a number saved as Lungisane. Did you save this number as Lungisane yourself in your contact list?
Wena-ke kwi-list yakho-ke yama-contacts owaseva le number nanjengoLungisani.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, earlier on, I asked if you know Lungisani. You confirmed that you know him. Now, explain the nature of your interaction, you knowing Lungisani. How do you know Lungisani?
Ushilo-ke ukuthi uyamazi uLungisani, awusho-ke manje, awuchazeke manje ukuthi ukumazi kwakho uLungisani umazi kanjani.
Nkosi enkantolo uLungisani ngiyamazi kakhulu nasesikoleni eFallas.
I know Lungisani very well, my lord, even from our school days in Falazi.
Did you attend school with him?
Nanisesikoleni esodwa.
Nasesikoleni esodwa.
Yes, my lord.
Futhi mina uLungisani ngabaningi uthenga ngazi ngabantu emakhaya bomuntu webhola nasemakhaya uningi uLungisani angazi.
Uningi ukuthi angakwazi noma
Kulula ukuthi uLungisani
akwazi.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It's very easy for Lungisani to know me, my lord. It wouldn't, because I'm someone that participated in football at school. School, not football.
Yeah, esikoleni ngidlalile.
Even at school, I played football, my lord.
And how does that tie with Lungisani knowing you?
Lokho kuhlangana kanjani-ke nokuthi uLungisani akwazi
Playing football.
ukudlala ibhola nokuthi uLungisani angakwazi kuhlangana kanjani?
Ngingasho ukuthi uLungisani ibhola lengangazi nasengomeni ingomeni igidile.
I would say with regards to football, even when it comes to the traditional dance, he also participated in the traditional dance.
Nakagwabeni futhi ngambona nogwabeni
Even I also saw him at Gwabenis back home, my lord.
And was Lungisani in the same dance group as you for the traditional dance groups?
Ingabe-ke wayesengomeni eyodwa nawe uLungisani?
Cha zibhane ehlukene.
No, it's different teams.
And how regularly did you meet Lungisani through these traditional dance group activities?
Bekuvame kangakanani noma kuvamise kangakanani ukuthi nihlanganeke naye uLungisani engomeni?
Or at soccer for that matter?
Noma-ke ebholeni.
Une-team naye nakubo.
He also has a team back home.
Ngaqala ngithatha i-team yasePhakama ngasadlala ePhakama.
At that time, or during that time, I was still playing for the team at my mother's home.
And when you say a team, what are you referring to?
Uma ukhuluma nge-team, ukhuluma ngani?
Sikhuluma nge-team yebhola.
A football team.
Okay. And was it through your involvement in dance groups and in soccer that you came to have the number of Lungisani?
Ingabe kwakuhlangana kwenu engomeni noma kuyibhola la owagcina usuba nenamba kaLungisani khona?
Inamba lapho ngibe nayo la sesengomeni hayi ebholeni emakhaya.
I got to have his number when we were now together at the traditional dance ceremonies or groups, my lord, not to football.
Now, when you saved the number ending 1239, did you save it as Lungisani, particularly using that name because you knew that that number belonged to Lungisani and nobody else, correct?
Uma-ke usave leya number leyana-ke uyisave ngoLungisani ngoba wena wawazi ukuthi inamba leyana kuyinamba kaLungisani, akusiyona inamba yomunye umuntu.
Akusiyo mina inamba kaLungisani.
It's not anybody else's number, it's Lungisani's number.
And did you communicate telephonically now with Lungisani on this number?
Ingabe waxhumana yini noma wawunokuxhumana yini naye uLungisani ngocingo kuyona le number?
Yebo ngike ngaxhumana naye.
Yes, I have communicated with him.
Now, Colonel Host has testified that the investigating team, that it will be Sergeant Mohola, Gininda, Mabena, Mohani, whoever was participating in this team to investigate, identified this number, the 071 595 1239 number, as that belonging to Fisogu Tlentuli, who is accused number 5 in this court.
Manje-ke kubufakazi bakhe-ke abethula-ke yena ku-Colonel Host wathi ithimba eliphenyayo uBrigadier Gininda, uSergeant Mohula, uSergeant Mohane, nje labo nje abaphenyayo-ke bona-ke inamba lena-ke bayichaza-ke noma bathi babeyisho inamba bathi inamba kaFisogu Tlentuli, accused number 5.
Akulona Ntomiso Nkosi.
That's not true, my lord.
Mina Ntuli angimazi Nkosi.
I don't know Ntuli, my
Angazi
lord.
inamba.
I don't even have his number.
Ngoba yimi engasho ngakummeli wami ngaphamisa nje ngamcela ngathi angabatshela le namba kalungisana. Akusiyi inamba kaNtuli.
Because I'm the one who raised my hand and brought it to my legal representative's attention to rectify that this was not Ntuli's number, but Lungisani's number.
And have you made a call to the 1239 number at any time since you've had it communicating and it was answered by someone called Fisokuhle Ntuli?
Sukela wathi waba nayo inamba lena usuke wayifonela yini waxhumana nayo yaphendulwa ke umuntu owayichaza noma wathi ke uma ichaza wathi uFisokuhle Ntuli?
Cha.
No.
Now, before your arrest, have you ever met, known of, or been acquainted with Mr. Fisokuhle Ntuli?
Ngaphambi kokuboshwa kwakho ingabe wake wahlangana yini waba nokujwayelana yini noFisokuhle Ntuli ngaphambi kokuthi uboshwe?
Cha mina ngilutho ngingazi ke cha.
No, my lord, I don't know about him, but on my side, no.
Did you ever communicate with Mr. Fisokuhle Ntuli telephonically or otherwise before your arrest and
Ingabe-
your appearance on the 27th of October 2020 at the Boksburg Magistrates Court?
Ingabe wake waxhumana yini wahlangana yini naye uFisokuhle Ntuli ngaphambi kokuboshwa kwakho ngaphambi kokuthi uboshwe? What about the appearance?
At the Boksburg Magistrates Court on the 27th of October
Ngaphambi
2020.
kokubingelela imantshi eBoksburg nge-27 ka-October 2020.
Cha naye ngakho ngone boss ke onke ukuthi ngakho ngamtshela ngakho.
No, because I saw him for the very first time in Boksburg. He asked me where I was from, and I informed him where I was coming from, or where I was originally from.
Do you know if Mr. Fisokuhle Ntuli has got another name known as Lungisani?
Ingabe uyazi yini ukuthi umnumzana uFisokuhle Ntuli unelinye igama abizwa ngalo uLungisani?
Angazi.
I don't know.
Now, when you are saving this number as Lungisani, were you saving it under the pseudonym, knowing very well that it belongs to Fisokuhle Ntuli?
Ingabe ngesikhathi wawuseva ngaso le number lena wabhala uLungisani ingabe wayiseva kodwa wazi kahle ukuthi ekaFisokuhle kodwa wena wabhala uLungisani?
Angeke kwenzeka.
That's not possible, my lord.
Ngokubathi lungisane nomlazi lungisane shina manje nathi ifoni izona uyathi.
As the number is saved under Lungisani and it's written Lungisani, my lord, it has an owner, Lungisani, and even if the number was to be called now, the person will answer and say it's Lungisani.
And Colonel Stein testified that through the Section 205 application and subpoenas, it was established that the number 1239 had various communication with all the accused persons that are before court.
uKolonel Steyn ubufakazi bakhe ke abethulileke wathi ke kwatholakala ke ukuthi
Stein, I said Stein and Host. Now I'm referring to Stein. No, I was correcting Dr. Ron. He thought maybe I made a mistake by saying Host. That was Colonel Stein now. I'm incorporating it here.
uKolonel Steyn ubufakazi abethula ke wathi kwatholakala ke ukuthi yona ke le number egcina ngayo 1239 ukuthi ke yayiqhumana ke nabo bonke abasolwa.
Angeke ngibe nalokho manje.
I wouldn't have knowledge with regards to that, my lord.
Now, you've already talked about the index 109, which is the index where the name Moses Sibia is saved and the number is 0137. You've already acknowledged that you know the number belonging to Muzi, but you would have saved it under a different name, not Muzi Sibia, correct?
Musuphenduleke ngalena inumber la ku 109 washo ukuthi inumber uyayazi kodwa ubungeke ke uyisave ngale gama uzoyisave ngelinye igama angithi.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you've already testified several times now in this court that before your first appearance on the 27th October 2020, you did not know Mr. Mncube, you did not know Mr. Mapisa, you did not know Mr. Ntuli. Is that correct?
Kusukushilo-ke lokho amahlandla amaningi-ke ukuthi-ke ngaphambi kokuboshwa noma kokubingelela-ke imantshi eBoksburg nge-27 zika-October 2020 Mncube, uMapisa noNtuli wawukade ungabazi.
Yebo, Nkosi Nkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
Now, Colonel Hose testified that they've identified certain numbers that belonged to Mr. Mapisa, Mr. Mncube, Sbia, and Ntuli.
Manje-ke uKenneth Force ubufakazi bakhe-ke ushilo ukuthi-ke kwatholakala amanamba thizeni-ke kungamanamba kaMapisa, Mncube, Ntuli noSibiya.
And for Mr. Mncube, he mentioned that the number that was picked up as attributed to him is the number 072 766 8169.
Ukuthi-ke inamba-ke ekuyiyona. What does it belong to?
To Mr. Mncube,
Okay.
072 766 8169.
Inamba yona-ke 072 766 8169 kwathola-ke ukuthi-ke inamba kaMncube.
Now, I'm not saying this is Mr. Mncube's number, that's what Host says.
Angisho ukuthi inamba kaMncube lena ngithi ubufakazi bukaHost noma yinto eyashiwo uHost.
Now, through using your J7, J5 Samsung phone and your numbers that you've placed on record there, 733 at the end and 6890, have you ever communicated with Mr. Mncube on this attributed number of 8169?
Manje-ke kumanamba akho-ke eku-6890 nale egcina-ke ngo-77733 ngabe usuke waxhumana yini-ke noMncube kule namba uHost athe inamba kaMncube le egcina ngo-8169?
Azange ngixhumane, Nkosi Nkantolo.
I never made contact with him, my lord.
Angithi mina yami inamba laphambi kwakathola eka-2018 angithi.
My number, which is before court, it's a 2018 number. Yes.
Naphambilini ngo-2021 azange ngixhumane.
Even before that, my lord, 2012 and the other years, I never made contact with Mncube.
And Colonel Host identified another number, the 071 395 3801, but he also kept on saying 3800, but it's either 071 395 3801 or 3800 at the end, and he identified that number as that belonging to Mr. Mapisa.
Kunenye inamba-ke uHost athola ubufakazi ngayo-ke, number leyo-ke ku-071 395 3801, washo-ke ukuthi inamba leyo-ke inamba kaMapisa.
Now, whether prior to you obtaining the J5 Samsung phone and using the number 6890 and the 733 at the end, have you ever communicated with Mr. Mapisa on this 3801 or 3800 number?
Manje-ke noma-ke kwakungaphambi kokuthi-ke uthole-ke i-J5 leyo-ke usebenzisa yona-ke inamba egcina ngo-6890 noma-ke lena-ke egcina ngo-33. Ingabe wake waxhumana yini-ke noMapisa kule namba-ke egcina ngo-3801? No.
Okay. And my lord, may we take a short adjournment for the normal short adjournment?